Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can delete files from your cloud drive on iDrive really quickly. So let us get started right away. So let's head over to iDrive.com and log into my account for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to Cloud Drive here in the top left, and here in your Cloud Drive simply select the folder you would like to edit and maybe even delete some files from. So let me go with that one here. And after that, simply go through that list of your stored files in your folder here in your cloud and select the given file by clicking into the checkbox to the left. And after that, guys, either click on the X button here among these options or expand that menu here to the right by clicking into the drop-down menu and select delete. That is going to ask you for permission to delete the given file. So say yes here in this case here. And after that, the given file will be removed from your folder and moved to the trash folder. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.